Hi, James with the 1HourSmartHome.com, and today we're at the Ring CES 2020 booth. And this product has been out for a little bit, but just seeing it here again at CES reminded me how useful this is. This is the Ring Alarm Panic Button. So this is designed to work with the Ring security system. I've got a Ring security system at my house. I've been really happy with it. There's a lot of different security systems out there that you can choose from, obviously, but the reason that I went with Ring was that I didn't have to get a monthly contract, and if I did, it was really economical and I could do it month to month. But what I like about the panic alarm button is that you can just put this right next to like your nightstand or a bedside table, or you give one to each one of your kids, and let's say you hear that bump in the night, or you're worried about somebody breaking into your home, you can go ahead and just press this alarm button and it's going to alarm your security system. And if you do have the professional monitoring, it's going to set the course of events for them to get in contact with you. So, you know, at night, a lot of people are reaching around for their phone and they may not sleep with their phone near their bed. So you want to have an option that will set off the alarm system in an emergency, and this is a great way to do that. Or another opportunity for the Ring Panic Alarm Button I could see is if you have someone that has medical needs and maybe can't get around very well and were to fall down in the bathroom, you could place one of these maybe on the bottom of a cabinet or on a floor so that they could reach this in an event of a fall. It's just a nice feature, and I really like the way that it works and that you don't have to have your phone in order to activate the alarm. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.